So this is going to be the final running video of this motor that came in with leaking carbs. We replaced all the bottom bowls on 6 carburetors and it didn't leak. And then he took it to the lake and it wouldn't run. And we've got pictures of the throttle plates not opening up. And so now we've gone ahead and adjusted the throttle, where you give it throttle. And you can see the throttle plates are all wide open. Go ahead and close it. And now they're closed. But this is the one that if it had been running, that motor probably would have been in the bottom of the lake, because that just happened since he picked it up from us when it wasn't running correctly. It is a recent purchase, so go ahead and start it. Let me turn the water on. So this is going to be the final running where the throttle plates open up. Go ahead and start it.